Have you been trying to master Facebook ads? Or rather, the correct name for this is meta ads. Well, this entails using Facebook ads, Instagram ads, WhatsApp ads, and soon to be released Thread ads. Have you been trying to find out what is the best way? What am I doing wrong? Why is it so confusing? Why is this so difficult? Well, I have good news for you. I have been researching for you online for 5 free best courses to learn about meta ads, to improve your skills, to improve how you run your ads, and to give you the best return on investments. Yes, these courses are free. You can study them anywhere, anytime, at your own pace. And once you're through with these courses, you should be confident to run your ads and get better returns. These courses are for beginners, if you're intermediate, and then also if you're still a master, there's always a thing or two that you might want to learn because the game changes all the time and meta ads are updated as often as possible. So why is learning meta Facebook ads? Before I give you the option of courses, let's find out why learning Facebook ads is very important. Facebook ads, Instagram ads are one of the biggest social media platforms right now in the planet. Any business can learn and take advantage of Facebook Meta because of, even if you're a small business, a medium business, a large business, there is a learning curve to Facebook Meta ads. And the sooner you get through it, the better you will be in performing for your campaigns and being more successful at it. The first course I'm going to tell you to learn about Facebook Meta ads is by learning from Daddy Facebook. You will learn from Meta itself. They have a course for everybody to study. Either you're an intermediate or you're a beginner or you're an expert. They have videos, they have text, they have well-explained courses to show you how to use the meta ads from the beginning. They even have practical examples for you to learn and follow for you to get the best value from your experience. What makes this course unique is, number one, it is done by the experts. They own their platform, so they know everything about it and they know what you should expect if you're to use it. Number two, it is, again, I will stress that it is free. Number three, whatever they teach you, you can take it to the bank because you learn this from the experts, the guys who came up with the program. And then number four, if there are any new changes, if there are any new updates, you will get to learn them from them first. And lastly, if the company or Meta is going a different direction, or if they're planning to do something differently, they introduce things here, and you'll get a feel or an idea from learning from them where the business is going. So what are the pros? The pros is you get to learn from the experts. What are the cons? One of the negative aspects from learning from Meta is it is broad-based. They're trying to teach as many people as possible about the Meta ads. And if you're in a unique space or you're in a niche area, you'd like to learn from somebody who has experience running your business or running what you're trying to sell. The second platform comes with no surprise. It is YouTube University. YouTube University is amazing because you can have videos where you follow along with your educator or tutor. Then you can find out how to move, navigate, and take advantage of your Facebook ads. YouTube is amazing because number one, it is free. Number two, there are experts in the field who are world renowned, and they're teaching you by giving you the best value for free. Sometimes they give you a taste of what you need to learn, asking you to pay for their courses, but in most cases you find that there is plenty of information to learn how to run Facebook and Meta ads for free on YouTube. The courses are between 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or if you're lucky enough, you can get one full course from one creator for an hour or 2 or 3 hours, depending on the type of creator. The best part about this is that, like I said earlier, you get to learn from people like Neil Patel, Ben Heath, or any other Facebook guru out there who has made a name for himself and who's killing it. So you can learn from them because success leaves footprints. Well, what are the pros and cons from learning from YouTube? Number one, it is free. Number two, they're easy to follow. Number three, they are taught to anybody. The cons to follow is the updates take forever to be done. You might realize the content creator didn't know about a new feature yet. Number two, one of the cons from learning how to run Facebook ads from a YouTube creator is there are very many quacks who don't know what they're doing, and it's hard to sift and sieve through who you should learn from. And obviously, number three, it's harder to find anybody in your niche doing what you're doing, especially on YouTube. Even though this video is not sponsored, I'm going to talk about Coursera. Coursera has free courses for many people to learn. And one of the courses that is available is free ads training. The best part about this is at the end of the course, you get to get a certificate showing that you have learned this. And if you're applying for a job, this is very, very useful for you. What makes this course unique is that they have experts from Facebook who are teaching you how to run ads, and you are confident that from the information or knowledge you get from here, you'll be better equipped to run your own ads. This course is best for beginners, foundational learners, intermediate, but not good for experts. So if you're in that space, this is where you would thrive and you would learn. There are plenty of videos. There are some text-based information. There are some practical examples to work with, and it's really good for most people. What are the pros and cons from learning meta ads from Coursera? The pros is it is structured. You get a certificate at the end of it. The cons is, again, it's a bit general. It's more of textbook knowledge. You want to learn from hands-on experience. You want to learn from people who have been in the game for a while. And this doesn't show you, it's more of an antiseptic or a theoretical point of view. Allison has a course for beginners. This is for people who have no experience at all. These are for noobs, beginners, and anyone who wants to try Facebook ads marketing for their business services or whatever they're doing. This course has been structured to teach any layman on how to get on the platform, how to start a page, how to create your first ads, and to get some value out of this. As you know, this is amazing for beginners, and it cuts through the fluff and lets you learn quickly about how to run Facebook ads. The pros, it is beginner friendly. Number two, you don't have to have any experience. The con is after learning for an hour or two, you realize you need in-depth and more learning about this. You don't get to learn deeply about Facebook ads. HubSpot Academy have a free Facebook ads and marketing course. This is also an advantage for people who are beginners to intermediates who are trying to learn about Facebook ads, and they provide a lot of value. The goodness with HubSpot is they have experts who have been in the game, who have experience in running Facebook ads, and who are there to teach you. The courses are structured. You get a certificate at the end of it all, and there's a sense of an accomplishment when you learn these things. They teach you the basics of running Facebook ads, running a Facebook page, sponsoring, using the ads manager to get the best value or the best returns on your marketing campaigns. So one of the pros for this, it is easy to learn, it has real world experience, and execution. Again, one of the cons for this is there's not much in-depth or depth about it. Most of the information is mostly general. It's mostly region-based. It assumes you live in a certain part of the world for you to take advantage of this. What are my recommendations? My first recommendation is go through Meta Properties. They're the ones who own it. They'll teach you how to market best. They'll teach you how to take advantage of it. Number two, YouTube University. YouTube helps you learn absolutely anything. If you're stuck somewhere, you can type your problem and get instant feedback from somebody who has the same problem and solved it using videos. The other courses are free. The others are better in terms of structured learning, in terms of certifications. Those are really cool. But my top best picks are Facebook and YouTube. If you need help with your campaigns in terms of better performance, you feel like you should be getting more value from your Facebook marketing, get in touch with us. There's a link below, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future.